Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Suzuki Intruder build. Today I'm going to be taking off a couple more things, cleaning it up a little, might try and fix the key problem. One thing that I forgot to mention in the last episode is that this build is a learning process for me. I don't know much about motorcycles and I haven't done much work on them. So feel free to leave question or concern in the comments just to help me out or whatever. I'll see you guys on the tripod. Hey guys, so there's a stripped screw right here. It's the last screw holding this plate on. So I'm just going to try and get it out with the drill and strip screw extractor. Sorry if the lighting's bad, we're installing some new lights over here in a little bit. Okay guys, so I just tried working on this for half an hour or so and it's not coming out, not even budging. So I think what I'm going to do is maybe move on from this, let it soak a little more in the penetrating fluid. Maybe get to that another video, but I think I'm going to move on to the gas tank now. As you can see, so there is still, not sure if you can hear, there is still fuel in here. So I turned the, the fuel valve to off, disconnected that pipe. So should be fine there. Disconnected that screw, and we're gonna get to the top bolts or clips maybe. And there you have it. It's just really one bolt, hose clamp, and it comes right off. Alright guys, so I just took the gas tank off, as you can see over there. And this is what's revealed. Got, a bunch more gunk from the chipmunk. This is from the fuel tank. Let's throw that over there. But yeah, as you can see, like I was saying, all the rust right here. Wires chewed up still. But it doesn't look that bad. Up here, might just get a vacuum in here, clean it up a little. Frame's still solid, so that's good. So yeah, next step is to clean this up a little. So really doesn't look that bad, nothing horrible, but the only major problem I see is that there's this pipe right here. I'm not sure what it connects to, but I guess I'll try and find that out. So I tried, get this bracket off. There's 4 flathead bolts there. Got 3 of them out. And I stripped the 4th one. It has been a pain trying to get these 2 bolts out. I haven't been able to. Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on what's next.